Welcome everyone. We're excited to announce our latest blog post, Call Tracking for Local HVAC or Appliance Repair Business, How to Set It Up and Why You Should. This video will provide you with valuable insights and cover all the key points discussed in our blog post. 1. Why local businesses need call tracking. Local businesses, especially those in the HVAC and appliance repair industries, need call tracking because it helps them measure their marketing performance, improve customer service, and increase sales. Google Business Profile Insights only track calls from mobile, which means that calls made from desktop or tablets are not accounted for. By using call tracking, businesses can capture all calls and record them, label them to assess quality, and use the data to make better business decisions. 2. How we set up call tracking for local companies. We have years of experience in setting up call tracking for local businesses, and we have found that the process involves several key steps. First, we determine the business goals and objectives, then we choose the right call tracking provider and plan, set up the call tracking system, and integrate it with other marketing tools. 3. Google Call Extensions and Call-Only Ad Troubleshooting. Google Call Extensions and Call-Only Ad Troubleshooting are essential tools for local businesses. The Performance Plan helps businesses track and optimize their call extension campaigns, and it provides valuable insights on the performance of the call-only ads. 4. More about Google Forwarding Numbers. Google Forwarding Numbers are unique phone numbers assigned to businesses to help them track calls from their Google My Business listing. These numbers allow businesses to capture all calls made from their listing, record them, and track their performance. 5. How to track calls on your website from the Google Business Profile. Tracking calls on your website from the Google Business Profile involves a few simple steps. First, you need to verify your website with Google, then set up a Google forwarding number, and finally, add the number to your website. By doing so, you can capture all calls made from your website and track their performance. 6. Basic Call Tracking Setup. Setting up basic call tracking involves selecting a call tracking provider, choosing a plan that meets your business needs, and integrating it with your marketing tools. However, businesses need to ensure that their name, address, and phone number consistency is maintained across all platforms. But what about NAP consistency? NAP consistency is crucial for local businesses because it helps them build credibility with search engines and customers. By ensuring that their name, address, and phone number is consistent across all platforms, businesses can avoid confusion and provide a better user experience. 7. Tracking on-site Google Business Listing phone calls. Tracking on-site Google Business Listing phone calls is a bit more complex than tracking calls from other sources. It involves adding UTM tracking parameters, setting up an on-site tracking number, and using a Google forwarding number to track the calls. By doing so, businesses can capture all calls made from their Google Business listing and track their performance. Adding UTM tracking parameters. UTM tracking parameters are essential for tracking on-site Google Business listing phone calls. They allow businesses to track the source of the call, the medium, the campaign, and the keywords used. Setting up an on-site tracking number. Setting up an on-site tracking number involves adding a unique phone number to the website, which is only displayed to visitors coming from the Google Business listing. By doing so, businesses can track all calls made from the website and attribute them to the Google Business listing. GBP Tracking Summary. Tracking calls from the Google Business listing is essential for local HVAC and appliance repair businesses because it helps them measure the performance of their listing, optimize it for better visibility, and improve customer service. 8. The conclusion. In conclusion, call tracking is an essential tool for local HVAC or appliance repair businesses. It helps you measure marketing performance, improve customer service, and increase sales. With the right setup and tracking in place, you can identify what works and what doesn't, and make data-driven decisions that drive results. 9. Learn more from other posts related to call tracking in Google Business Profiles. If you want to learn more about call tracking in Google Business Profiles, we have several other posts on our blog that cover these topics in detail. Check them out and learn how you can improve your local business's digital marketing strategy. 10. Maximize your business growth with our call tracking setup and SEO services. At our company, we offer call tracking setup and SEO services to help local HVAC and appliance repair businesses maximize their growth potential. Our team of experts can help you set up call tracking, track phone calls, and optimize your website for search engines. With our services, you can improve your online presence, attract more customers, and increase revenue. Contact us today for a free digital marketing review session and learn how we can help your business grow. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos on digital marketing and search engine optimization. Subscribe to our YouTube channel now. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find this information useful.